Yesterday I logged into Creative Fabrica account and I was surprised to see that there were $72.97 waiting for me in the Creative Fabrica wallet. So basically what happened was that I uploaded one design to Creative Fabrica around 11 to 12 months back, and that design has sold few copies, and this design has made some passive income after I have uploaded it on Creative Fabrica. So to be honest, all of these $72.97 are not from that design that I uploaded. Some of the earnings are also from affiliate earnings. But what I have realized is that Creative Fabrica can be a great source of passive income to generate some amount of money if you have some designs that you want to share with other publishers. And today in this video I'm going to exactly show you how you can do that. So without any further delay, let's start the today's video. So first of all, we are going to start off by creating our Creative Fabrica account, and the process is really easy. What you can do is select any one of your Google accounts that you have, and you can easily be able to create your Creative Fabrica account with it. So I am simply going to select one of my Google accounts here. It will simply log in. You might have to insert some OTP if this is your first time into Creative Fabrica. Just go to your Gmail and you will get an authentication code and simply enter it into Creative Fabrica and you are good to go. So after creating your account, what you are going to do is simply turn your account into a designer account. So what you are going to do is you are simply going to go to this "Are you a designer?" section, and you can see this tab here, turn my account into a designer account. You are simply going to click it and you are going to fill this form. So you are going to insert your name here. So I'm going to insert my name and you are going to insert your designer name if you prefer something different, and if you have got a separate name as a designer, you can just insert it here. So after that, you are going to provide a link to the products that you might have listed on other platforms. If you don't have any products, don't worry. What you can do is simply just copy and paste the link to your Amazon website. So just go to the product page of any one of your books and simply just provide the link. So in this section, you are going to provide a link to your design portfolio. So if you don't have a dedicated design portfolio in any of the websites, what you can do is you can simply provide the link to your Amazon author page and showcase various different books. In this section, what I did was I provided the link to one of the author pages, and I also provided the link to my Gumroad shop. So I also had a Gumroad shop and I showed some of the designs that I had uploaded to Gumroad in this section. So if you don't have it, don't worry, you can simply provide the link to your Amazon author page. Now in this section, we are going to write why we want to sell our design on Creative Fabrica. So what you can do is you can write stuff like, I am a subscriber of Creative Fabrica and I haven't found many designs that I personally would like to see myself. So I thought I would really be able to provide a huge value addition to this community. So I want to sell on Creative Fabrica, and I just love creating book interiors, and just tell about how you can add value to the Creative Fabrica community in this section. And in the final section, what you can do is you can just write my name here. You can just copy and paste it and just click request to open shop. So it's gonna take around a week for them to review and see if you are eligible to be granted this designer store on Creative Fabrica. So hopefully after a week you would get an email from them telling that your designer account has been opened, and after that you will be ready to upload your designs on Creative Fabrica. So now let's see how you can upload your designs. So before selling our designs to Creative Fabrica, we are going to create a zip file first of all. So just simply head on to Google and just type in zip file creator, and we are going to go to this first website, and the website is called easyzip.com. I'm going to provide you the link to this website down below in the description. So after going to this website, you are going to select your file. If you have got multiple different files, make sure to create a folder out of all the files and just click on zip folder online. So I only do have a file for this purpose, so I'm just going to select this and we are going to select this pain and symptoms tracker. So I'm going to create a zip file out of it. So after selecting zip file, just simply save your zip file. After creating your zip file, you need one more thing, that is your product mockup. So we are going to create a product mockup in Canva. So we are going to create a design and select custom size, and it's going to be 2400 by 1600 pixels. So after creating this, we are simply going to showcase what our interior is going to have in this. So you can select various different templates here. So let's just simply select this one. Make sure that you have got PNG format of your interior, because you need to showcase them in your mockup. So I don't have the PNG format of the interior. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just simply going to convert my PDF to PNG and just upload it to Canva. So to do that, let's open a new tab and we are going to just simply search for PDF to PNG and we are going to convert it. So let's just simply upload our PDF file. After your PDF gets converted, simply hit on download all, and your PNG files will be downloaded in the zip format. And we don't need all of the pages, we simply need few of the interior pages to showcase in our book. So what I'm going to do is just simply select 2 of the pages and extract them to desktop. So now we are going to head on to Canva again, and what we are going to do is we are simply going to upload the designs to Canva. Now we are going to change the background color and want to make sure that the interior is a little bit more differentiated from its background. As you can see, it's quite fitting in with the background color, so we want our background to be a little bit grayish. So this looks good. So now what we can do is we can just add some text. Just showcase what our product is about. What you can also do is you can create multiple different mock-up images and just show various different interiors in those mock-up images, but I'm going to just create this one image for this tutorial purpose. And you can also just create another mock-up image and just write what our trackers is going to have. For example, it's going to have time, symptoms, trigger, location and severity, and it's going to have a separate section for medication and supplements, and it's going to have separate tracker for sleep, mood and energy level, activity level, and how much water you drink and what food you drink, and if there are any reactions, and something to make tomorrow better. So you can just state all of these, creating a separate mock-up and just write down the things that your interior is going to have. So now what we are going to do is simply download this in a PNG format, and after doing that we are going to go to Creative Fabrica again. After your designer accounts get approved, you will now get this new section. As you can see, you can now view the designer dashboard, and you are going to simply click on this link. So after that we get this new window here. So now what we are going to do is add our product. So we are going to select on this add graphic section, and our category is going to be KDP interiors, and our product name, just simply type in the product name. So after typing in the product name, simply just write in the description what your product is about. make sure to state the size of the interior and just write the number of pages, and you can also state the different formats of files that your customer is going to get after downloading the file. So after that you can write various different tags, and this is going to help you to rank your products in the Creative Fabrica search results. So after adding the tags, we are going to just upload the product images that we have just created by using Canva. We can just simply drag this and drop it here. After that, we are going to upload the zip file. We are simply going to click here and simply just upload the zip file that you just created. So after your files get uploaded, now you can select various different options here. You can consider your product as a freebie, but we don't want that for this product, and we can just simply consider it for various different bundles. You can just consider it for discount deals, and just select the terms and conditions, and most importantly, don't forget to just insert the pricing. And our pricing is going to be $1 and it's going to be $1.25. So you can also list your product as a free product. So the main purpose for doing this is more customers come to your store, and they eventually, after getting the free product, will follow your store, and they will be notified for all the future uploads that you make. This helps to increase the Creative Fabrica revenue, and this is the main reason for listing your product as a free product. But we are not going to do that right now. We are going to just list it at $1.25, and we are going to submit our product, and that's it, guys. Now your product will be sent to the review team, and after the community will view your product, then hopefully it will sell on Creative Fabrica. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching this video. Have an epic day.